Hello, students. This is me, teacher Bruno, and today we're going to study about adjectives and adverbs. Adjectives describes people, things, and objects. And adverbs, adverb, it describes an action. Let's start with adverbs. They go after a verb and they describe the verb. For example, it rained heavily. It rained heavily. Heavily is describing the rain. He always replies quickly. Quickly is describing the verb reply. So adverbs, they describe verbs, actions, how we do something. Happily, easily, noisily. The general rule is to add ly. That's the general rule. There are some variations. If the adjective ends in y, we change the y to I and then add ly. For adverbs ending in le, we change it to ly. And of course, there is no escape. There are a couple irregular adjectives. For example, fast, fast, adjective, and adverb. We can use quantifiers to emphasize our point. It rained quite heavily, very heavily, extremely heavy. These adverbs, they add more meaning to the sentence. And adjectives, they describe nouns. Expensive, guitar. Guitar is the noun, and expensive is the adjective. If you have a verb to be in the sentence, the correct position is after. The guitar, this guitar, is expensive. In the first example, there is no verb to be, so for this reason, before the noun. So that's the difference. Adverbs, they describe verbs, actions, and adjectives, they describe things, places, people, nouns. And the general rule is to simply add ly. That's our general rule. So thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos like this. And see you again in our next video. Thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day. Thank you.